Berin Kwan esu. Papa bi ono so yefani Ajatey Powers. Ye nyina ye nim no. Oni buko mbanku ye nim omo. Se omo ye typical NDC supporters. Election time 2024. These two guys, they were very active in what? In campaigning for the NDC. Adentia. Yese Mahama Breso Okosi Bukom Arena Emma. So for that reason, they are campaigning seriously for John Mahama, because when John Mahama comes, they are going to chop better. Me abadi ma, a man in your tentene, na Ajatey Powers and so about Bontana, or soon Regana for say. Or no, now asem credit me and say, who did your video never Casafa?
Social media is very big. If it's not big for the NSA to pay me, but it's big. You understand me? Just imagine you pay a ticket for buses more than 6. You pay their hotel, you pay everything, accommodate. Just imagine.
For buses from which country?
UK. I'm coming to fight you Commonwealth in buses because as I'm sitting there, I'm the president of Voice of Ghana Professional Buses. So me pay the buses. I pay a lot of them advance. I can't go and tell the boss that actually the fight is not coming out. Give me the money I bought, I give to you. I can't do that. You understand me, Ali? Which is the painful thing is I heard this thing and I come and ask you people. You said no. But later the thing is true and you do it's like sabotaging. And I'm asking, what have I done wrong? What have I done wrong to deserve this? Eh?
Powers, apart from boxing, what other job do you do to make money?
That is the good question you ask me.
Apart from saying also say, who say, and this ya buying no sabotage no. Oba be can same bi oha. Asem no hu hia pa. So listen to what this man is saying. Listen.
I don't know anything. I know
nyanto ase. Ti asem ni ye. Yebisa ne say apart from boxing, dear Juma, di benim die ene wo ni team. Ti asem papa ibeka. Ti ni ye. Na ni nkomon fa ho.
That is the good question you ask me. I don't know anything. I used to put my money inside some business. Later, the business will collapse because I don't know left and right.
Tieni ye pa. Sani pa wo yo to so I don't know anything. Onim ni benkum ni nifa. Enti oyeso odini sika koda ye business a na ni beba na hoso no na sika na hye na business na gu. Eni pa no ankasa kanjo so onim ne left and right. Sani pa no na ma wa advice whom you should vote for. Hey. Inshallah hismandulillah sallallahu hamdul samahallah sahal. Jasumbo. Tieniye came in see, and people were influenced by him. No, yes. What is my quaking? Also, no, Tihono. Onimuhe were Jimmy from Niti Emma Pim Nancy. Onimba be an nifawo and in the benkum. Into a dinisika kura koye investment ya Jimmy Nti Sikaneshe. But this stupid man was the one who was telling you, Sekotua Bafama Mahama. Now su di actually. John Mahama. Now what's up? And then on there. Now listen to what this guy is saying. Where Jimmy to the point to say, Onim ni benkum ni nifa. But because of say or minor yetim, a man yourself na koye say dairy bread. Kwasi ampanyi ni biaso kamera sile ni mana okasanti. Otimi bejina ube ye campaign chile wose kotoa bafama ni pasimasi. Na usuwe Jimmy onimu nyansanti. Esi ya nifra fuomienu. Nifra ni etire nifra ni kwa ya omoye dayi. Omoto amnamu. Amnane na edamu neno. Now, I want you to listen to the rest of what he's talking about. Yenti.
You know this our Ghana people too. When you have family, you want to help them. Charlie, take this tomorrow. Oh, and this thing spoil. Oh, and this thing. So I guess I have no job apart from my promotion. You understand me? I have no job, and I said, let me. Bossing is what I know. I can put my money in Boston and manage it. Thousands of dollars, millions of cedis.
How many months ago is your capital gets blocked because boxing was happening?
Oh, almost last year. Last year, the thing happened. My fight is 27 September last year, and almost 26 September they brought the letter. Since then, the small money I have is what I used to take care of myself. So now I'm begging before eating. My brother, I'm begging before eating. Last time I came here, it's one of your colleagues who give me money for my petrol. You understand me? And this kind of things, I passed there a long time. I'm okay. Ali, you used to give me money, but for a long time, I don't call you. Because God has put him. There are some things when God put you there, you have to appreciate God. Don't be having money, and if you know, oh, this guy used to give me money, you have money now, then you are calling them. God don't like that. And me too, have somebody money, sometimes I feel ashamed. So if I thank God, God has put me in somewhere. Now I'm taking care of myself and my family. I thank God for that. You understand me, Ali? I thank God. And just one day they bring me from classes to kindergarten. And I'm talking. Nobody want to mind me. Nobody want to listen to my conversation. Nobody want to tell me anything. Last time.
Entity ni yepa. Uti asema kwa ikai. Ase ndisi aban ni bedi akonwa no. De ne kita ni nyina, wahwiri ni nyina. Teri yepa na video no bitu aso ye bebo na wati. The low IQ leader no. Jiminti wakoto aba waye campaign de ama abanya oba ye no. Ba bia na ogina no. Ye hwane no de na beto form say team. Ose ye de na free class 6 abeto 0. Stupid man. Now the tie to aso. That one will get you more anger. What the tie?
We Sharaf will do is boxing. We went there and they called me and we all stand. Sharaf said, "Oh, Powers, don't worry. After my promotion, we'll see what to do." After the promotion, they no nothing. It's like oh Charlie.
Tieniye Paul. Sharaf Mahama onye boxing bia o ye in the Ghana our documents no only any position in this sport or your friend boxing no but Mahama be di akonwa no enkrofo na omo ho dada na omo na omo di the boxing sport na nim na omo agidi omo na omo ye entertainment on boxing na hwan ene na asefo an event no Sharaf Mahama Sharif was a salafo wabegu omo nyina wasay omo nyina we na friend of real estate capture Mahama busua no ba bi obia wonim de wo ho bia no wo hoda da bia na be pam wo afiri wo de na ba abehye ho enti na the boxing society e wo Ghana man mu no bukom bankunom ene kwase ampanyi wo ye oti hoyi omo ne anu biem opesa onye event opesa onye promotion na wa mfa Sharaf amehema obewu kombedi wo amawu obeye boy ama Sharaf ne na busua tie de okaba tie
Charlie.
So Ajatey Powers, you said you are renting.
Oh yes, Halifax, I'm still renting.
Your current rent, when will the rent end?
As I'm talking to you, we are in March, It less 2 months. I have to pay another month. Yes, just 2 months coming. We didn't reach 2 months yet. I have to pay another money. And this money I have, I start my building already. I can put money and finish, but as I said, when I put all this money into my building and I finish the building, then I have to look the house. The house can't give me food. Let me manage and do the money for business. You understand me? So sometimes when I'm sitting there, I feel bad. And my wife too has come from outside. You understand me? Look at the kind of pressure I'm facing. I think when my government comes to power, more things will be smooth for me. I don't go to school. I don't know anything. I don't expect anything from the government. But they should protect me. Even when I'm doing promotion, for government have every right to say that, oh, Powers, you are doing promotion, you are helping the bosses. Okay, we have given this to you just to promote the boxing. It's very nice. But if that one don't come and I'm managing my own self, the way my own thing has to be destroyed.
So what in the year for? Akoye campaign the ama ban ne buy no. Ono in the business or yen dada no. Ya say business no. E tia. Ono no ye boxing promoter. E wo Ghana maimu. Ono any buku mbanku no. Mahama di akonya no. Mahama ba ababeji that leading in the boxing promotion. Ama ono ene Ajatey Powers shorty hoy. Kapre ebi ni ho. Osu pasia o ye abro o ye ba omi abro o ye akufo ado abro but bra na akufo ado teso no he did everything for you guys to enjoy yourself in boxing. Mo ye event ahodo event akese event Ghana boxing ebe ye so yen can say interested to the point to say Mark Bones Germany England boxing to ho eba Ghana because of how that the Ministry of Sport na obuamo mamu ye eventer a na efe na ya akono na amanfo ani agye ho money so we you gathered up, you team up like animals adwene ne mutim ekoye nkwasya campaign de koma papa bi asabi onwene obi aho ene won se wan kase wadwuma wo ye no ye ba ye no ya target wa ya je free winsam se wo adwuma na wo ye dididi no ene nkwasya campaign na wo ye no ya je free winsam kofie na koda je asumbo na koda we a left side right side a snap no anyway Jimmy, next time you will learn sense. Next time you will learn sense. So, and then this 4 years, a combat over phone, or bonnet will no for now about to say, or baby, a minimum no. No focus, most of them no focus, you will come here, yeah, already. Or no for now, it is our baby, a minimum no. Or baby, a minimum no. Bema or no for about to say, or baby, a minimum no. And this are bound with Freco na account skeleton and out the benante Jimmy so and Jimmy for way and a direct where you should vote to nimba be free back nim the history of themselves. Lack of knowledge make my people perish, and that is true. We were Jimmy ye catch your boy no the chire yen kokontokwa na wasore na okita okokontokwa adwene ni nyansa keto akura ni ho ene wonam radio so na wusu oyeri firi amanone aba nti enye ne den oyere wapa Ghana nti enye den onkwa na waware onkwa na oyere atukwa ya wasen aba oyere ba ya na fa no kokyere jo Mahama fa no kokyere jo Mahama so oyere firi ba bia ba video fufuro bi obetumi nya adaje monkwasiafo we video. Or see, he has tried many times to go to the Jubilee House. Obekwa ko do Jubilee House wono. Na ni din enka the visitors of the day, ni din ka ho, so he cannot get into the Jubilee House. Him ame estake bari mame mo akwaba. Jimmy mo ankasa won beti musamia. Mo a mesi nkrofo am ye campaign di man disi wa ho. We will keep you guys naked of how stupid and hypocritical you guys are. Ebinumo Jimmy and omoye campaign ma Mahama Misber eni akọwe omoto Jimmy omonte de na ekoso ase. Ebinum so ye hypocrite ye share that small one say omomfa won adwene do omutum ne nto baabi na omunjim omo ho emfa man dis na ndisi ba ye be ma omugina bere gina. Enti sa nkrofo na adwene kakra wo omutim no amban ne ba mu no yamo mo egba bi omo akwa akọhye bete nkwasiafo se bi omo nim se omo adwene nya adwuma na omo ye easy to deceive no sa nkrofo no ye gya omo agum na kom fita me papa da nasem kom fita Komfufu. Kuwaun. Because we no. Their intention of going to vote and going to campaign is say, abai ne ba. He must to be on the payroll. Say, Bosumi biaswa. Ebe tresika. Edi akomano. One worry. Ube suna wa subiem. Na Dr. Lahaj Muhammad Baumia. One na nando danko akufuado. Munyankupo amosom no. Oye butantim na otehoda. Well, say gradually, the reality of the fact are coming out, and we are gradually understanding. Say, campaign mu, and kwasiafoni binum kasa mamuntie. They are doing everything for their stomach direction. Intimates be when you are Ajatey Powers, you deserve nkwasiasumbo tie. Yes. Yanto aso na yenko yanim na yemfa